Okay, now we change this wall panel to material to become brown mirror. Okay, so go to business center, come to product, we upload the texture. Okay, my texture. Okay, just publish, then type the brown mirror. Fill in all the info. Here you need to select this called high gloss. Sorry, above. Okay, high gloss lacquer. Yes, high gloss lacquer. Okay, remember high gloss is for reflection. Okay, so upload the brown color, select mirror group, submit. Okay, so you see that brown mirror. Okay, now we go to here. Okay, change the material. Just now what we upload mirror, just click on it, select, apply to all the wall panel. Okay, then go to run. Okay, save it first. Okay, just run it out. Okay, everything okay. Then you will see the effect. Okay, ta-da! Oh, mirror brown. Thanks for watching.